Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Surendra Kumar. Today I am going to teach you first chapter of class 12 matrices. I told you yesterday I will start the class from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. But I am in late. For that I asked you. So do you know? Do you want to know my reason why I have not started the class which I have given you promise? Actually, yesterday I went in the marriage of Bhaiya. Okay, so for that I asked you sorry. So actually we are in late, so we should not waste the time. Let us start the class. So today we will start matrices. Yesterday I have given the introduction class for class 11th and 12th and schedule also. So without wasting time, let us start the class. So today I will teach you matrices. First chapter of class 12 matrices. Okay.
कौन सी बोल वो बोले कैसे कह दे बोले हमारा रास्ते में कुत्ते ना बोली और तुम नहीं कैसे समझ देते ठीक है बोलो बच्चा लोग रह तो भी नहीं है पास
Class 12 mathematics chapter 1 matrices. What is matrices? Matrices means the chapter name of matrices. So we should know first what is matrices. It is the arrangement of certain animals in the form of rows and columns. It is the arrangement of certain elements in the form of row as and column. It is the write the definition in copy. Okay. It is the arrangement of it is the arrangement of certain animals in the form of rows and columns. In the form of
हाँ गाली बोलते ही लगा बाबू का तुम ताकि हम कोई पक्ष लगा लीजिए
it is the arrangement of certain animals in the form of rows and columns. जिसमें सिर्फ रोज आएगा और कॉलम आएगा वैसा अरेंजमेंट हमको चाहिए. So symbol of matrices is like this. Suppose I am writing 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. This side is row. It is row. If we are moving left to right, it is row. If you are moving from top to bottom, it is a column. So how many rows are there? First row, second row. We have, so it will be written as multiplication of rows and columns. When we represent matrices, we have to write. जब हम किसी मैट्रिक्स को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं तो वहां पर हम लोग रोज एंड कॉलम्स को मल्टीप्लिकेशन के फॉर्म में दिखाते हैं. वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट द मैट्रिसेस इन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम in such a way in such a way row must become in first. Okay, so how many rows are there? 2. And column is there 2 3. So like this, take the screenshot. At first pause the video, take the screenshot and write down in the copy. Okay, we will move next. I think you got it, matrices. Alright, it is the arrangement of certain elements in the form of rows and column. Okay, जिसमें सिर्फ रोज आता है और कॉलम आता है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं मैट्रिसेस. ओके, आई टोल्ड यू इट इज द सिंबल ऑफ मैट्रिसेस. रेक्टेंगुलर है, इट इज अ रेक्टेंगुलर array. Got it? जब हम बाएं से दाएं जाएंगे तो रो होगा, जब हम ऊपर से नीचे आएंगे तो कॉलम होगा. समझ गए? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. लेट अस मूव फर्दर टॉपिक.
मैं तो हमारे घर से निकाल लिया.
Suppose I am writing matrix X 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So whatever written inside the matrices, they are called entire entries of entries of matrix whatever is written inside the matrices, they are called entries of matrix. Okay, don't forget. Okay, write down it. Second one. A matrix has no value. A matrix has no value. We are not going to find out the value of matrix. Okay, we are going to find the value of determinants, but it is not determinant, it is matrices. Okay, number of rows may be or may not be equal to number of rows may or may not be equal to. A matrix has no value and number of rows may or may not equal to number of columns. See example of this point. 1 2 3 4 many rows are there? 2. So I told you it is saying number of rows may or may not be equal to. It is like an example of that. Okay. Number of rows may or may not be equal to. Okay. रो मैट्रिक्स के अंदर में रो बराबर कॉलम के हो भी सकता है या नहीं भी हो सकता है, बट इन आई विल टीच यू इन डिटर्मिनेंट they must be equal, then we can say determinant. So that is different chapter. First we will study this one matrix. Okay, so take the screenshot. I will move to further topic. Okay, write on it. I think you have done a screenshot. If number of rows equal to number of if number of rows equal to number of columns, then we will say there is a unique name. If we are going to find out in matrix what if number of rows equal to number of columns, it is a square matrix. Then it is a square matrix. If number of rows, अगर किसी मैट्रिक्स में नंबर रोज की संख्या जितना है और कॉलम की संख्या अगर दोनों बराबर है तो उसको हम बोलते हैं स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. इट इज अ यूनिक नेम. ओके, इफ वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट नंबर ऑफ रोज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ कॉलम इन द मैट्रिक्स, देन वी नेम्ड इट एज a special name. What is that? A square matrix. Okay, so see, understand through diagram. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so how many rows are there? 3. How many columns are there? 3. Got it? In this matrix, rows is equal to row number of columns. So it is a square matrix. We can say it is a square matrix. Write down in copy. Okay. If number of rows in element A is equal to if number of rows in A element A is equal to n, and number of columns in a element is equal to n, then order of A is equal to matrix is equal to n into n. If number of columns किसी एक एलिमेंट में अगर नंबर ऑफ रोज m है, सपोज वो एलिमेंट है एक मैट्रिसेस के अंदर एलिमेंट रहता है, तो अगर किसी एक एलिमेंट में नंबर ऑफ रोज m है और उसी के एलिमेंट में उसी के मैट्रिक्स में नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स सॉरी I have written wrong, okay. In place of elephant there will be matrix, okay. If number of rows in a matrix A is equal to m, किसी एक मैट्रिक्स में अगर रो की संख्या m है और कॉलम की संख्या n है, तो इसको हम मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में किस तरह रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, नहीं किसी मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर किस तरह रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ m into n. I told you first will become number of rows, it is a number of rows and this one is number of columns. Number of columns. Write down in copy, okay. Write down it in your copy, okay, and make the notes clearly, okay. Now we will move to how to find number of elements. How to find number of elements. Suppose m is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. To find number of elements, so number of elements is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay. How to find number of elements? किसी मैट्रिक्स में हम नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं? तो सपोज दिया हुआ है m is equal to 2, it is row and it is representing columns. So number of rows is equal to 2 and number of column is equal to 3. To find number of elements we will multiply the row with column. So we will get 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay, got it? I think you got it my point. Okay, now move to next topic. Suppose we have matrices what is the name of element. What is the name of the position? Uh, it is the position of, wait. It is the position of, it is the first row, first column, like this. If it is, this is first row, second column, A1. This is first row, third column. Similarly, this is second row, first column. This is second row, second column. This is second row, third column. This is third row, first column. This is third row, second column. This is third row, third column. Okay. The elements which we are going to find out in the first row, this is A11 means first row, first column. This is A12 means first row, second column. This is A13 means first row, third column. Similarly, in second row, it is the second row. A21 means second row, first column. This is second row, second column. This is second row, third column. Okay. So if we are through this, we can find the position of elements present in the matrix, in the given matrix. Okay. Now we understood the position of matrices. Now let us move next topic. So let us take example of this one. Okay. Write down it in copy. You will be more clear by giving you example. Okay. Suppose we have matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is given. We have to find A11, first A11, A12, A13, A21, A2, A23, A31, A32. We have given the matrix A is equal to 1. We have given matrix A is equal to this one. Okay, and we have to find the position. What is the value of position A11 means what is the value of first row and first column. So see, it is the first row, first column. So what is the value of this one? 1. Write it 1. Similarly, we have first row, second column. We have to find the value of first row, second column. What is written? 2. So write down 2. Similarly, you will find the first row, third column. What is the value of first row, third column? 3. So write down 3. Similarly, second row, first column. What is the value of second row, first column? 4. Similarly, second row, second column 5. And this is 8. Then 3, 6, 9. I think you got it this one, okay? हम लोग को एक मैट्रिक्स दिया हुआ है A इज इक्वल टू लाइक दिस 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 ओके. सो हमको फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम का पोजीशन का वैल्यू बताना है. तो उसका वैल्यू कितना है 1. इसी तरह फर्स्ट रो और सेकंड कॉलम का पोजीशन का वैल्यू बताना है 2 है. फिर फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम का पोजीशन बताना है. सो सिंपल. यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. इट इज जस्ट वेरी सिंपल. ओके. So for today, we keep the class up to here. Next day we will discuss further topic of matrices. It will take 1 week to complete matrices. Okay, there are many points. Okay, and we will discuss question also. Okay, so please share the video those who are in class 12 and they need the content of class 12 of chapter matrices. Okay. So keep it up, make the notes clearly, and during revise it will help you. Okay. Now we have homework is your. You have to write down the notes and you have to revise the what I have taught you. Okay. Once revise, you will get more clarity if you will revise. Okay. So thank you very much. Keep it up. Please share the videos. If you are not subscribing my channel, please subscribe the channel. You will get more content in this channel. Okay. Thank you very much.